right here.
What we got in there today?
We got us about 5 dozen toughies down in there.
Oh yeah.
That's what's gonna do it right there. Woo.
Down here at the old Buster's, you got some minnows. You got some crickets right here.
That's what we do.
Got the old boat going. Got his old dip net. So he's got the old dip net.
Most important part of your dinner bucket is right here. You gotta have one of these. And it's just won't get in there any other way. I don't know if y'all ever fished one of these right here before, but right there is gonna bring them in. Bringing them in.
We're ready today.
Let's go.
All right. We'll be back when we're on the water. Out on the water. Yeah. I don't even try the bridge.
Alright.
Let's try the bridge. That truck pull up after we got out? Or was it already there? What you got? What is it? Ain't too bad. First one out.
First catch.
First cast, first catch. Well, gonna try the other side. Try the other side. Here on this beautiful day. It's about 82 degrees. Little wind, just to cool you off a little bit. I wish that's what it was, but no, it's more like, I don't know how cold it is. It's got to be at least 50 something. Nice day though. There's some cars. Yeah, to bring that in, man. Sit right up in here.
Right here for a minute.
Yeah, we'll give it a shot. We'll figure out what we got going on, see if we can catch a couple here. Yeah, there probably is. Some good fishing back in here. Can't wrap my hand. Well, so far today we caught a few. Yeah. The water ain't too bad here. The ocean would have been pretty good.
Fish on.
That was a little bream.
Boys and girls. Look at there. That's what we do, boys. That's it.
That's
I'm
nice.
gonna let
there.
that go. I'm gonna let her go.
That's that one that's been playing with mine, I think. He got his ass caught that time. Fucked around and got
And
caught.
he kept my minnow too.
And he kept the goddamn minnow.
Fish on there, Cal.
Got us another
Fish
one
I
on
got
there.
another one, man. I just threw it right back out there. Look at that. God almighty, is that 10 pounds? Is that bass? Lord, I wonder if MTV needs to do a show with us called You Just Got Brimmed, boys and girls. You just got brimmed.
You just got brimmed.
Yeah. Put that on your TV
Well,
show, MTV.
people finally get this shit clusterfuck untangled. I might catch me one. I didn't even do nothing but set it down. Somebody started spinning on his own goddamn own.
I like it too. Kept my minnow too.
That's an Alabama minnow.
That's that Alabama minnow head. Use the whole body though. Fish on, Kevin. Fish on. We got back here in this little honey hole, boy. That's found a nice little spot.
Oh man, that's a nice one
Yeah,
there.
look at there. Yeah, look at there, boys and girls. Caught a plenty. Kept my darn minnow.
Well, a minute.
There's another one, boys and girls.
Well,
Fish on here. We got a fish on. Boy, howdy. Look at there.
yeah,
That's been about the 4th brim I caught on this one minnow.
that's crazy.
Alabama minnows brought in from wherever. There's another one. Family out there in the World Wide Web. Whoa. I'm gonna let her go. I'm gonna let her
It's
go.
gone.
Man, got a fish on. God dog. Oh. That's a big one. God dog.
Oh yeah,
Man, yeah.
got a little weight to it there.
Look at there. MTV catfishing. Boys, y'all ain't got nothing on these brim. Ow, 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 ow. That's called schooling.
Rolling.
Fish on. Fish on, boys and girls. Fish on. Knocking on doors, asking people ain't gonna get you any fish. You gotta get out here in the water. That's where you real fish on. Look at there.
And save the damn
Man alive.
minnow.
Tell you what. Nice. Look at that. That's what God made right there. And eat on it. Look at that. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. There we go. There we go. There we
That's a nice little.
go. Yep. Finally got that that minnow I've been using. Same minnow. Once again. I got off.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Heading back about that time because we have gotten on around the bends a couple of times and this wind ain't got no better. And I need to get stuck out here with a dead trolling motor.